Honda FourTrax ATVs have long stood as a benchmark for reliability, performance, and innovation in the world of all-terrain vehicles. Designed for both recreational riders and working professionals, the FourTrax lineup offers a diverse range of models that cater to various terrains and user needs. Whether you're navigating through rugged trails, managing tasks on a farm, or enjoying a weekend adventure, Honda FourTrax ATVs consistently deliver power, durability, and ease of use that riders trust. What sets the Honda FourTrax apart from its competitors is its engineering excellence and build quality. Honda has a reputation for creating machines that last, and the FourTrax ATVs are no exception. Their robust frames, advanced suspension systems, and high-performance engines are crafted to withstand harsh environments while ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. Each model is meticulously tested and refined, ensuring it meets the expectations of riders who demand performance and reliability in every condition. The heart of every Honda FourTrax ATV is its engine, designed to offer an optimal balance between power and fuel efficiency. From the smaller 250cc models to the more powerful 520cc versions, each engine is engineered for responsive throttle control and long-lasting durability. Honda's fuel injection technology ensures efficient power delivery and consistent performance, even in cold weather or high altitudes. This makes the FourTrax lineup versatile for all-season use and suitable for a wide range of applications. Another hallmark of the Honda FourTrax series is its user-friendly design. These ATVs are built with the rider in mind, featuring ergonomic seating, intuitive controls, and thoughtful storage options. Whether you're hauling supplies, towing equipment, or just exploring the great outdoors, the FourTrax models are designed to make your ride as comfortable and convenient as possible. Many models also feature selectable 2WD and 4WD modes, allowing riders to adapt quickly to changing terrain and trail conditions with just a simple switch. Durability is a core strength of the FourTrax lineup. Honda uses high-quality materials and precision engineering to ensure their ATVs stand up to the toughest challenges. Sealed mechanical components help prevent mud, dust, and water from compromising performance. In addition, Honda's focus on maintenance-friendly design means fewer breakdowns and easier servicing, which is a huge plus for owners who rely on their ATV for daily work or regular recreation. Safety and control are also integral to the FourTrax experience. With advanced braking systems, low center of gravity design, and predictable handling, these ATVs give riders the confidence to tackle challenging terrain. Some models come equipped with electronic power steering, EPS, which significantly reduces steering effort and enhances control, especially on uneven or rocky trails. Combined with excellent ground clearance and rugged tires, the FourTrax offers a secure and stable ride in a wide variety of environments. The Honda FourTrax series includes several standout models, such as the FourTrax Rancher, Foreman, and Rubicon. Each of these is tailored to meet specific needs. The Rancher, for example, is a versatile mid-size ATV that's perfect for light utility, work and recreational trail riding. The Foreman is more robust, offering greater power and towing capacity, making it ideal for farm work and heavy-duty tasks. The Rubicon, often considered the premium model in the lineup, includes added features like IRS, independent rear suspension, and automatic transmission options, blending workhorse performance with superior comfort and handling. Beyond the specs and features, what truly makes the Honda FourTrax special is the peace of mind it offers. Owners know they are investing in a machine backed by decades of Honda engineering, an extensive dealer network, and a solid reputation for quality. This reliability means more time riding and less time worrying about repairs or breakdowns. In summary, Honda FourTrax ATVs are a perfect combination of innovation, durability, and performance. They are built for those who need a dependable partner in their adventures or daily routines. Whether you're deep in the woods, crossing muddy trails, or putting in long hours on the land, a FourTrax ATV is a trusted companion that delivers time and again.